The BJP has decided it's all or nothing in Varanasi. 5 days before the city goes to polls, there's a showdown taking shape over the decision to deny Narendra Modi permission from attending 3 events in the prestige seat.
Starting 11 a.m. tomorrow, the party is gearing up to hold protests in Varanasi and in New Delhi as well. Sensing a climb down by the authorities, the BJP has also now withdrawn all requests to push through at any cost on Thursday.
हमें अब केवल शक नहीं है, हमें विश्वास है कि वो निष्पक्ष व्यक्ति नहीं है.
The BJP has sounded the war bugle, angry and taking on the Election Commission for denying permission to 3 Modi events in Varanasi. From citing reasons of threat to Modi's security to the venue being booked for another event, the BJP is crying foul, alleging a conspiracy by the Samajwadi Party government.
How can a district administration deny permission showing different reasons for a candidate to hold a rally in his own constituency? Can there be a greater outrage than this?
There were 3 events that were really planned. Permission to all these 3 events has been cancelled. In fact, I am holding this letter that the BJP has released. These are 3 letters by Arun Jaitley written to the Election Commission, Chief Election Commission in Delhi, asking for the removal of the returning officer.
But the Akhilesh government has rubbished the allegations, denying any hand in the decision taken by the district administration.
भाजपा के नेताओं का इस तरह का आरोप न सिर्फ निराधार है बल्कि शरारतपूर्ण भी है. समाजवादी पार्टी कभी भी, समाजवादी सरकार भी विपक्षियों के प्रति द्वेष भाव नहीं रखती है.
गुजरात मॉडल बनारस में नहीं चाहिए. हमारा बनारस का मॉडल बहुत अच्छा है, इसी को हमको अच्छा बनाना है, सुंदर बनाना है. अब यहाँ जैसे उन्होंने साबरमती किनारे वॉल्स बना के उसको घेरा हुआ है, बनारस में ये नहीं हो सकता.
With Modi also being blocked from performing the Ganga Aarti and holding a meeting in Varanasi, the BJP is on a collision course.
एक के बाद एक बहाना. कल सुबह 11 बजे BHU के बाहर लंका गेट पर बीजेपी कार्यकर्ताओं के साथ धरने पर बैठेंगे और सत्याग्रह करेंगे.
What has the BJP miffed is also the fact that Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi was granted necessary permissions for his roadshow in the temple town.
How he has been restrained and how Rahul Gandhi has been allowed. We are amazed. We are dismayed. The Central Election Commission cannot be a silent spectator. It has to intervene and it has to put its foot down and saturate the situation in Varanasi and allow a level playing field.
Rahul Gandhi being permitted for that complete roadshow, while Narendra Modi's rallies and public meetings have very clearly been denied on the same grounds of perhaps the strength that could be higher than expected. And certainly I can tell you that the BJP is all set to escalate with their protests and attacks against not only, of course, the district administration, but have called the Election Commission a mute spectator.
Varanasi goes to polls in 5 days from now. And the Varanasi bloc is slowly building up to be India 2014's biggest flashpoint. Bureau Report, Times Now.